Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all fine and safe. Today we are going to draw Minaar Pakistan. You know what is Minaar? Minaar means tower. So it is in a shape of tower. See, it is in a shape of tower. For this we need sharpener, 2B pencil for shading, HB pencil for drawing, a scale and an eraser. For this, you have to get ready by preparing your page with proper margin lines. See, date, day and topic name. Now, let's start our drawing. See, I am placing my scale on sheet and measuring a point from 0 to 4. Then drawing a horizontal line. Now, on this line, I am going to mark a point on 2. A point on 2. Now, by putting my scale on this point vertically, I am drawing a vertical line upwards of 10 inches, like this. After this, we are going to mark points of different measurements on this vertical line. The first point here I am going to mark is of 3 inches. The second point is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 inches. The third point is of 2 inches, 1, 2. And the last point is of 1 inch. See students? Now I am placing my scale on the left side of horizontal line and drawing a slanting line upwards and on the other side as well. After this, I am going to draw horizontal lines on the points we marked on a vertical line. See, we have 4 parts now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We use curved lines in the first part, like this. 1, 2 and half curved. 1, 2 and half curved. Now I am drawing curved line from this point to this one and on the other side as well. Let's mark a point in the middle of second curves like this. After that, I am drawing a slanting line by putting my scale on this point and on the other side too. Now I am drawing dome in part 4 with the help of curved lines like this. 1 and 2. Now, in order to give a neat look, I am going to erase the extra lines. For this, you are always suggested to use a light pencil, children. Yes, children, the drawing is ready. And our next step is the detailing of Minaar to give it a proper look. For this, we are going to draw curved lines in the bottom like this. And making a twist. And slanting lines in the upper part like this. Five horizontal lines in part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 horizontal lines in part 3. 1, 2. Let's start with the shading. Children, for shading, you always have to keep one thing in your mind, that from which side light is hitting an object. From where light hits, we leave empty spaces over there, and other side is always darker with less lights. In shading, you always have to do comparison in the lighter tones and in the darker tones. I suppose that light is hitting Minaar from this side. I leave empty spaces over here, and this side is much darker than this side. Now, first I am giving the lighter tones on the areas where I need shading. In shading, you always have to move your pencil according to the shape of an object. Our lightest tones are done now. Now, for the middle tone, children, you have to put a little bit more pressure on your pencil than before. And in shading, you have to move your pencil according to the shape of an object. See, you can feel the difference now. It's the middle tones, lightest and the middle. Done with middle tones. Now for the darker tone, I am going to increase the pressure on my pencil more than before. See, like this. After shading, our Minaar looks like this. See, the bottom part is darker than the upper part. The upper part is darker than the top part. And notice I leave empty spaces on the areas where light hits directly. I hope you know the tip of doing shading now and enjoy doing it. Stay safe. Thank you.